What it? I can't dip it properly. I can't do this anymore, man.
You're just doing it wrong. You just gotta give it a good old bruh.
I need something better, man.
Hey guys, you want to get the most out of that sauce? Then you guys need to try the DipRotor 9000. Just set it on the table, stick it, and spin it. It's that easy. Wow.
Oh my, this was what we needed, man.
And if you want to get the most out of that salsa, try double spin.
That's amazing. That's exactly what I needed.
It's that easy.
After a long day of work, I'm really fried. But this invention right here turned my life around. I just do this, I do this.
Is this not working for you, my left-handed friend? Try the left-handed mode.
Wow.
It works both right and left-handed people.
That's insane. That totally changes everything.
See, I really like this product because I really don't have to do much. I just dip it, and bam.
This is the DipRotor. It allows continuous rotation of sauces and any other culinary accessories. As you can see, this device is capable of spinning both counterclockwise and clockwise to allow for both right-handed and left-handed users to both enjoy the functionality of this product. The DipRotor has advanced functionality in that it is capable of accommodating multiple types of sauces and dips with simple mounting and unmounting. The slogan, set it, stick it, and spin it, comes from the ability or from the capabilities of it being portable, the ability for you to simply stick a sauce onto the rotary table, and the functionality that it can spin.
As for the technical aspects of how this works, for the electrical system, the entire thing is powered simply by one 9-volt battery, which is connected to one Arduino Uno. This Arduino Uno is connected to 3 switches, which allow for control of each direction, stopping, and full range of motion. All of this is then connected into a motor driver, which then connects to a stepper motor underneath the platform, which allows for proper spinning and control.
So I'm going to talk about the various 3D printed parts we have. All the 3D printed parts are made out of nylon infused with carbon fiber, and the overall cost of all the 3D printed parts is about $3, which is very cost effective. And also, each part can be infused into the aesthetics of the design, which can be geared towards various different restaurants.
Alright, so I'm sure you've been wondering why this is in the shape of a guitar body. Well, this is a mock-up that we put together so that this one in particular could be set up in a fashion that could be marketed to the Hard Rock Cafe. They could have these guitar bodies on each table. They can come around, put whatever they need in the center. It could be your appetizer, it could be dips for your chips, whatever they need, and they can put this and it can go with the theme of the restaurant. This device can be modified to fit into many different restaurants, atmospheres, and it can be put into many different tables, so that it can be very versatilely marketed to a lot of different companies. Or even for home service. Ever have, a table full of dips that nobody can really get to? Well, now the DipRotor can be marketed to the private industry. You can buy a DipRotor for your very own home. You can set it on the dinner table and everybody can enjoy the dips all the way around the table. This has been the DipRotor 9000. Call now to get yours. And remember, set it, stick it, spin it.
No, you've got the glove. Oh, you might want to get your glove. Right. We're going to have to fish this out.
Nothing but chip. We're going.
What is come? I can't do this anymore, man. What the?
Chip won't even break. It's too soggy. We'll have to.
Just grab a different chip. Oh my god.
Just do it again.
All right, reset. You ripped that chip like paper.
Bro, that's the rock.
Get it crunchy.
Give us your thoughts.
Give me a sec. Can I get into character?
Zach, thank you for being with us today. Thank you for trying our product. Can you just give us some thoughts of you know, how it affected your life?
Yeah, so whenever I'm feeling fried, no, not fried, no, wait. After a long day of work, I'm really fried. But this invention right here turned my life around. I just do this, yeah, I do this.
Accessories one might need to eat on their table.
Just give us your
Or
thoughts.
I'll just hold it and then I'll like dip it
Yeah.
and be like,
Yeah,
really like
experience. Talk about your experience with this.
Like, how does this make you feel?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be like, hey, black friend, how does this make you feel?
Why are you always talking about white people?
it's Julian Smith.
It's
YouTube
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
we watched Julian Smith.
Oh, I see.
No, it's because to him I said, hey, my white left-handed friend, because he.
I'm going to start with the chip in.
Give it a go.
Is this not working for you, my white left-handed friend? Try the left-handed mode.
dip it, and then bam.
Towards various different restaurants.
Mounting and unmounting based on its variable sticky surface. What are you gonna say more?